Hello, this is Ahona Ghosh. Under the guidance of Dr. Sriporna Saha of Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Makot, West Bengal, I am doing this project, Robot Navigation for Healthcare Applications. The project objectives are to design a rehabilitative aid which requires seamless interaction between the task executing output device and the brain-computer interfacing operator without cognitive disruption. And some existing literature suffer from less accuracy, reliability, portability, cost and time consumption issues. So to overcome those, I have come up with an idea of designing motor imagery induced artificial limb design, and in a scenario where a subject is suffering from prosthesis damage in their arms and want to bring a glass of water from a nearby table to drink, but he is unable to bring that glass of water himself. So in that situation, electroencephalogram, in short, which is called as EEG, can be used as the data acquisition device to monitor and record the occipital data of that subject of brain signal while they are planning to do the activity looking at the glass. And the robotic arm, which is an artificial limb, is active to grasp the glass. So here is the block diagram where after the data acquisition, the signal filtering for noise removal, then channel selection, then feature extraction, then machine learning classifier is applied to classify the motor imagery action, and robot movement is done accordingly. So this is the national and international status from where I came to know that the problem is severe and various people suffer from stroke, disability adjusted life years, and etc. So there the motivation behind the work lies. Novelty is to improve the existing methods by some modification or proposing some novel classifier. This is the description of EEG. The brain's various lobes are responsible for various tasks. So if that can be identified also, then the lobe having defect in it, if that can be detected, then the work can be done accordingly. Here is our actuator, open manipulator X, that is the robotic arm. Here I can show you some video of the prototype which already has been designed in our lab, in our human computer interaction lab. So this is bringing the glass. So this is bringing a small bottle of water whenever I am thinking of bringing it. This is the deliverable and expected outcome, market analysis and conclusion.